So, I was on the Mississippi River last year, 21 days, and I used these guys. It's been a year that they've been sitting up, just sitting in my living room with about a half a tank of fuel or gas in both of them. Well, I just added a little fresh gas to them, pumped them up. Pumped them up right here, and this one started in 2 pulls, and this one started in 3 pulls. I'm super impressed with the Sportsman Inverter Generator, the 1,000-watt one. I just thought I would do a short video saying after a year of sitting up, after 21 days of everyday use on both of them, this one started up at 3 pulls. This one started up in 2 pulls. And they sound good, and they're not blowing out smoke. Excellent little generator. Well, that's all. Have a good day.